My dear student, once again I am here to help you to get the solution of different types of questions in arithmetic progression. Let me take some more questions related with your NCERT book exercise, that is 5.2. 5.2. I have given a number of questions as well as the solution of these questions so that you will be benefited, and in the forthcoming examination you can solve the questions if suppose it comes from this topic, and those are the new beginners, that will be very much helpful for them. Okay, let me take the question number 16 from the NCERT book. I told you already such type of question. Once again I am telling so that you may understand it properly. Question number 16, determine, here we shall find out, determine the AP. AP means arithmetic progression, you will have to determine. Okay, whose third term is given, third term is 16, whose third term is 16, and seventh term exceeds means that will be greater, the fifth term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay, you find out its solution. That is a very important question. Let me take the solution. Okay, determine the arithmetic progression. How you can find out the arithmetic progression? I told you in my previous videos that if you know the value of first term as well as common difference, you can find out the arithmetic progression. Okay, by using this language, we will find out the value of A and D, common difference. First thing, whose third term that is to be denoted by what? A3. That will be A3. Third term is 16 by using the formula of nth term, which is nth term formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, you understand nth term? Okay, let me take third term means in place of n you will take 3. Third term will be equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Okay, it will be A3. Third term is how much? Let me write it here. Third term is equal to 16. It is given. Third term is 16. This is 16 is equal to A plus 2D. Okay, you got the equation A plus 2D is equal to 16. It is 1. Equation number 1. Okay, let me take the second case. Here I am taking the second case so that you will understand it properly. See, seventh term exceeds the fifth term by, you write the seventh term by using this one. Seventh term that is to be denoted by A7 is equal to fifth term. You write fifth term. Okay, both the terms I have given. This is seventh term and this is fifth term. You see, seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay, seventh term that is more than fifth term. How much more? 12. Either you add 12 in fifth term or you subtract 12 in the seventh term. Okay, so that both will be equal. Or seventh term is more, fifth term is less than seventh term. Their difference would be equal to how much? Their difference would be equal to 12. Either you write this way, in that way. Okay, you write it by using this formula. A7 means A plus 7 minus 1 into D. 7 minus 1. Okay, into D. Okay, A5. A plus 5 minus 1 into D is equal to 12. Okay, you simplify it. A plus 16 minus negative sign. You multiply by negative sign inside the bracket. Minus A and minus 4. D is equal to 12. A will be cancelled by A and 6D minus 4D, that will be 2D. It will be equal to 12 and D is equal to how much? 12 by 2 is equal to 6. We got the value of 2, D, that is 6. Using first equation, using 1. And A plus 2D is equal to 16. Right in place of D. 16 minus 2d. It will be equal to how much? 16 minus 2 into 6. That is how much? You see, 16 minus 12. That is how much? 4. It is 4. D is 6. A will be 4. See carefully. We have substituted the value of D, that is 2, that is 6 in 1 in this equation. In place of D, I have substituted 6 and 16 minus 12, that will be 4. Then what will be AP? You must have to find out the arithmetic progression now. Okay, let me take what will be AP. AP will be, see my dear student, AP is first term of AP. First term is A is equal to 4. Or you can say that A1. Second term means A2, that is A1 or A. A2 will be equal to A plus D. A is how much? 4. And D is how much? 6. That is 6. 10. 4 and 10. And the third term A3 will be A plus 2D. It will be equal to how much? A is how much? 4 plus 2 into 6 will be equal to how much? 4 plus 12. That is 16. You see? A is 4 already we got, and D is 6. Substitute it. And fourth term, let me take the fourth term. Fourth term, that is A4. A4 will be A plus 3D. Okay. 4 plus 3 into 6. That will be equal to how much? 4 plus 18. And that will be 22. Like that. Like that, if you want to find out some more condition, some more terms you can find out. Otherwise, therefore, what is the AP? 4. Next is 10. And next is 16. And next is 22. And so on. You see, because D is 6, you see the difference will be 6 is an AP. Is AP. We got the AP very simply. if you know the value of A and D, you can find out AP. Let me take one more question which is very important. Sometimes these word problems may come in the examination for related with the arithmetic progression. Let me take the question. This is left, that is 19, which is very important. I am telling you. Question number 19 I am discussing with you. See in your NCERT book, that is 19. Question 19. Okay, I am writing here. Subbaroy started. Try to understand the language. Started. What he started? Work. He started the work in 1995. He started the work in 1995. Okay, as per the given data. At an annual salary. Annual salary. The salary of the Subba is how much? It is rupees 500. आप भी काम कहीं भी जॉब करेंगे तो you also can see. Let me write it clearly so that it will be visible to you. 5,000. Okay. This is the salary in the beginning. He started from this salary. Okay. That is why you see carefully. And received an increment. Received an increment of rupees 200 yearly, annually, each year. In 1 year, his salary will increase how much? Rupees 200. Okay? Every year 200. You may understand. First term as well as common difference. Common difference I told you, throughout the progression common difference remains same. Every year it will increase. 200 means difference, common difference will be 200, and first term initially A will be 5000. Okay, let me take the other things. In which year? In which year? In which year did his income, in which year his income reach rupees 7000? It started from 5000. In how many years his salary will be 7,000 rupees? Means 2,000 more. Okay, let me take the solution of it. As I told you, beginning first term A will be 5,000 rupees. 5,000. Okay, A will be 5,000. Let me write 5,000 only, so that I will not write over here rupees. And D will be how much? 200 rupees. Annual increment. Okay, and it is given. You tell the in number of years. Let me assume in n years his salary, annual salary will be rupees 7,000. 7,000 will last term. Means what does it mean? An. In n years it will be rupees 7,000. His salary will be rupees 7,000. Using the same thing, let me take an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. See this thing. In place of n, because total salary, the last term will be this one, 7,000. It will be equal to a is 5,000 plus n minus 1. D is how much? Rupees 200. 5,000 you take from right side to left side. 7,000 minus 5,000. It will be 200. Let me take n minus 1, so that it will be easy for calculation. You see how much left? 7,000 minus 5,000, 2,000. It will be 2,000. Okay, and let me divide it by 200. It will be n minus 1. Okay, and see, it will be cancelled how many times? 10 times. 1 you take from right side to left side. It will be n. Total will be 11. Means in 11th year, therefore in 11th year, his salary will be how much? Rupees 7,000. You see, his salary will be rupees 7,000 in 11th year. Very simple question, you see. I have explained simply this question. My dear student, let me take some more questions so that you will understand more and more questions and you can do it. Let me take one question left in this exercise, that is question number 20, and it is also the similar kind of question. Question number 20, you see. See in your book, Ramkali saved rupees 20 in the first week. In the first week, suppose she started the saving from this week. In the first week, she saved rupees 5. In the first week for a year, and then increase her weekly saving by 1.75. In the beginning, let me write the question. Ramkali, so that you will understand. Save, because there should be the book or the question. Then only you may understand the solution. Rupees 5 in the first year. In the first week of a year, in the first week of a year, and then You can see this question in your book also, NCERT book. And then increased her weekly saving by rupees, that is given 1.75, this much rupees in the first week. If in the nth week means there may be any number of weeks, her weekly saving become rupees 20.75. Then what you will do? Find n. N means in how many years? Let me take the solution of this question. My dear student, try to understand. Ramkali saved rupees 5, that is why you start. You see the question and start the solution. Rupees 5. See, start from this one. In the first week of a year, and then increase her weekly saving by weekly saving. हर वीक में केवल 175 रुपीज 1.75 रुपीज सी विल एड इन हर सेविंग, अपनी सेविंग में, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? डी दैट इज हाउ मच? 1.75, दिस मच, because same amount she will save in each and every week. But you see, if in the nth week her weekly savings become in the nth week, means an is equal to 20.75. That will be total. Find n. Okay, using an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula you will have to use. Okay, then what does it mean? It is 20.75. It will be equal to first 5, that is 5 plus n minus 1 into 1.75 into. Okay, 5 you take from right side to left side, 20.75 minus 5, and it will be 1.75 and n minus 1. 20.75 minus 5, that is 15.75. Okay, divided by 1.75, and it will be n minus 1. Okay, I am just going to remove this decimal symbol from here. Then 15.75 and 175 plus 1. Plus 1, I have transposed it from right side to the left side. Okay, you take LCM. 175. It will be 1575 plus 175. It will be equal to 1. Okay, my dear student, you add it. 1575. You add it. It will be 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1. Okay, 17 plus 17, 14 plus 1, 15. 15, 1. Okay, and 5 plus 1, 6. 6 and plus 1, 7. 1. Divided by 175. It will be equal to 10. You divide 1750 by 175. It will be 10. It will be equal to 10. What does it mean? What does it mean? In 10 years, she will save rupees 20.75. In 10 years. In 10 years. Because here it is given, if in nth week, not years, in 10 weeks, because weeks are given, find the nth week, means in 10 weeks, Ramkali Ramkali save rupees. How much? 20.75. Like this you can find out the solution of the questions. I have given the solution of the very important questions today, my dear students. I think you will practice, and in my next videos I will start the, what does it mean? I will start sum of the terms in arithmetic progression. How to find out sum of the terms in the arithmetic progression, that I will start in my next video, and I think you will practice the problems, questions which I have given to you on depend upon arithmetic progression as well as nth term of arithmetic progression. I do hope that you will like my videos, and you will share my videos, and you will subscribe my videos. Okay, thank you to all of you.